Hioki RM3548 Milli Ohmmeter. Auto measurement hold and automatically save to memory. Let's take a closer look at the memory feature, the auto hold, and the auto memory. Now over here we have an auto hold feature, so if I push the mode button once, you'll see that it's reading off. Let's go ahead and push it on, and it's only showing the hold right now. And if I hit enter, and now if I make a measurement, let's come on over here. I've got the one lead already connected right here. Let's select the other lead. And as soon as it finds it and stabilizes it at 70 ohms, then the hold button comes on, and I can actually now disconnect this, and I still have that on my screen. Now, if I go ahead and reconnect it, it will rescan for a new one, and it'll make that measurement again. Or if I had connected it to something different, and let's come on over here and select this little piece of wire right here. And then it automatically holds on the new setting. Additionally, you can do it this way. So let me first go ahead and put this back to the one that's 70 ohms. So now there's my auto hold. I'm going to change my value over here a little bit. And now I can just hit escape, and it'll auto hold on my new measurement. So let me just disconnect for a moment here, and let's go ahead and hit escape to clear that out. Now let's see about the auto memory. So this is really cool because it automatically stores it. I've got nothing in my memory right now. So let's come back over to mode. Let's wait till it says A memory on the screen. Go ahead and press enter. Now let's come on over here and make a measurement. And I want you to notice that this is going to increment. It's at a 1 right now. So let's go ahead and change the value a little bit over here. Let's hit escape to get a new reading. Notice that it's now got a number 2, and it held on that one. Let me change the value over here a little bit. Let me hit escape again. So let's go ahead and hit escape one more time. And so now if we want to go back and read these, we just go ahead and press read. It's reading the number 5. Let's go to 4. So that's 3,693 ohms. Number 2 was 90 ohms. Number 1 was 270 ohms. And we can scroll through these measured values here. Looks like I got 2 of them the same here, number 4 and number 3. Now if I want to go ahead and clear all those, first I'm going to hit escape. Then I can come on over here and push and hold. And once I push and hold, this will erase just the last entry there. However, if I change through up and down, so this will erase block A, this will erase all blocks. So I only have something in block A, press enter and hold. There, it's gone back to the 1, and it's on hold. So let's go ahead now and let's try something really cool. I've got this, again, 70 millimeter wire right here. Only this one I've stripped in the middle, and I don't know if we can get a view of that, but I've stripped it so I can pull the strands out of it. And let's try cutting one strand at a time and saving this into memory. So let's go ahead and get our measurement. So it's now held my measurement. It saved it as measurement number 1. That's at 5.43 milliohms. don't know if I can even get just one strand here. They're so small. So I've just cut one strand. Not sure if that's even visible to you. But let's go ahead and push escape, 5.43. So the resistance went up. Let's try cutting another separate strand. So now I've cut two strands. Let's push escape. So every time I cut a strand, you're seeing that resistance go up a little bit. This is phenomenal how accurate this thing is. Let me do another strand. Take another measurement. So I'm not going to do every single strand because there's way too many of them in here. But let me go ahead and grab one more. And now let's go into memory read. I'm going to disconnect this. So I've cut 5 strands, I believe, because I've got 5. And so we have 5.924, 5.792, 5.685, 5.583, and 5.433. So from 433 to 5.858 to 5.685 to 5.792 to 5.924. So you can see the resistance going up every time I cut a little strand. That's pretty cool. That's really awesome on how sensitive and accurate this meter is. In order to exit out of auto hold, auto memory, and intervals, and so we're just going to cycle through it until it goes to off, and then I'm going to hit enter, and now our hold is off, our auto memory is off, and our intervals are off. And I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to clear all my readings. So I'm going to come back over here, clear that block, press enter, and now all those memories have been cleared out.